Hey Bougie, how you doing? It's Terry from Hey Bougie Lifestyle. Before I get started, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like, share, comment, and please hit that notification bell. So each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. So today I'm going to make a quick and easy uh, meal with some leftover chicken that I made the other day. Um, so I'm going to, just throw some stuff here in my um, everyday pan. Um, just coating it with some grapeseed oil, and you know, I'm not throwing away food, so I'm gonna, I got chicken, chicken, chicken. I got so much chicken, so I gotta get and find different ways to use it. So I'm going to make a saute up. Well, it's already cooked. Heat it in this pan and make some type of wrap with it. That's what I'm going to thinking. I'm going to use my carb balance tortilla because I want to use them up before they expire. I mean, I have a little while, but I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to put a little mayo on my tortillas and this leftover chicken. I just chopped it up, and I'm going to use this. Just I don't need any seasonings at all because the chicken is well seasoned. So I'm just heating it up. It's got plenty of seasoning. So we can't do this without some cheese. Gotta have some cheese. So this is Italian cheese. I'm just gonna a little there. And provolone. Put a little heat on there. All right, see, I want to do it double down, double down. Okay, so we're done. Of course, I had to add some of this because I'm obsessed. And I better hurry up and order some. Uh, so I'm just going to, cut it and give it a taste. Get that? Got a little crisp on there. So let's taste. Sauce on the outside. Mm, 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 mm. Delicious. I use my Mission Carb Balance wrap. Whoop, I got one left. And yeah, this is so good, so delicious, quick and easy. Using my leftover chicken, you know. So I didn't even have to put any seasoning or anything. Just throw it in the pan, heat it up, add some spinach and some cheese, and we're done. Anyway, I just wanted to share quick and easy snack time, dinner, lunch. This is a good idea. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good night and stay bougie.